Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Annie. So today we are going to do a no contact reading for Scorpio. This is a general reading. Please see how it resonates with you. If not, you can ignore the readings. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. The roles can be reversed here. It can be you or your partner's energy. Okay, so let's see what do the cards have for you, my dear Scorpio. The current overall energy, the overall current energy in this no contact situation. What is the overall energy in this no contact situation? What are the energies for Scorpio in this no contact situation? What is the energy here? What is the energy here for Scorpio? Alright. Okay. What does the person think about you, Scorpio, you are not in contact with? What does the person think about you, Scorpio? What does the person think about you, Scorpio, you are not in contact with? What does the person think about you, Scorpio? Let's see, what does the person think about you here? Okay, last shuffle. Oh, alright. What does the person feel for you, Scorpio? What does the person feel for you here? 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 Okay, I think this wants to come out. Alright. Why have they gone silent? Why there is so much silence in this in this situation? Why nobody is reaching out? Okay. What is blocking this connection? 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 Alright. Okay. What is the next move, if any, in next 1 to 2 weeks from now? What is the next move, if any, if you or the person is going to make in next 1 to 2 weeks? What is the next move the person or you are going to make in next 1 to 2 weeks? Alright. What is the advice for you, Scorpio? What is the advice for you here? Okay. Page of Cups. The bottom of the deck we have Page of Cups. So, okay, there is an offer coming towards you. There is a communication basically coming towards you. An emotional, pure communication coming towards you. But you need to be mindful that you deal with this communication in a very mature manner. Okay, let's see what other cards have in detail. So the current energy here in this connection, I think, is to be very patient, to be very calm, to be very composed, and then deal with the situation. If you are basically stuck in this situation on whether what to do, what not to do, you are being asked basically to be patient and deal with it. Okay, you have pure intentions, but don't lose that patience, then don't lose your caring and loving energy because of the circumstances or the situation around. Just be patient, be calm, be loving to others, to yourself, and deal with the situation. Okay, let's see what are the thoughts of the person about you here. I think, again, I don't know, this card has come up in at least two more readings. I don't know what is happening, why everybody is going through this ego issue these days. Okay, so again, I think there is, this ego coming in between this connection. I think the person or your energy is, to be in a superior place. Like, why should I reach out to the person? Okay, the person has hurt me emotionally. Now it's time for me to take revenge. Why should I reach out? The person doesn't care about my emotions. Why should I care? No, it's not good, right? So just drop that thing, and because of this, it's somewhere causing you emotional stress, and that is why you are being advised to be patient here. Okay, Okay, what does a person feel for you here is, I think somewhere the person feels that there is lack of equal give and take. Okay, somewhere it can be you or your person's energy. It can be like the efforts one is making, the other is not giving equal efforts. It's like I am the one who has the right to say, or I am the one who knows what is right and what is not. That is also somewhere I see. There is so much of, energy, like dominating energy one might be having for the other. Okay, and that is why the other, this equal effort thing is kind of somewhere missing. Okay, the one of the person in this connection thinks what I say is the right thing, and the other person is like, I'm not always here to listen to what you say, right? So that is somewhere I think the clash is happening, and that is why one person feels the other person is the dominating one and I'm not obliged to follow. Yeah, that's what is somewhere I feel this is the issue. Okay, let's see. What has caused the silence in this situation is, I think there is a communication happened, or at an emotional level something is causing this silence, that either if I reach out I might hurt the person, or the person might hurt you. I mean, one of the other person might hurt each other because of the way the things will be or have been communicated. Keeping that in mind, to avoid having happening that again, it's being like it's okay not to reach out. Okay, why to hurt others emotion? I do not want to hurt others emotion. I do not want to you know be seen as an emotional vulnerable person. I am being confident, I am very strong, I am very, I have everything, I'm very stable, and I don't need to make any effort. That is somewhere I think is causing this silence, that nobody here is looking for making an effort. Yeah, okay. Let's see what has caused the blockage here. I think the blockage here is one of you is focused on the old time or old memories. Okay, it's like one of you has been focusing on the time you have spent together and is replaying the old memories in their head and is happy with it. Like, it's like, I don't need anything new. I'm happy with whatever happened and I'm happy with the memories I have in my mind. I will replay it. I'm happy with it. So it's like somewhere the one or the other person, either you or your person, is replaying the old times and is not looking to reach out to create new memories, because that is here, right? That no need to reach out. I am happy with whatever I have in my mind. I am happy with the memories I have in my mind, and I know I don't need to make new memories. So why to reach out? Okay, they are like kind of stuck in the memory level. They are stuck in the past and kind of happy with it, which is not good in a way that practically somewhere it's stopping you or your person to move forward. Okay, let's see what is the next move, if any, next 1 to 2 weeks. So there is a soft and nurturing or a caring communication which might come up, either from you or through your person, or through a mutual connection also. I feel that, to know if everything is fine, and nothing much, but just a normal communication. I feel strongly through a mutual connection. Yeah, but a positive communication, nothing negative, nothing on with the intention of hurting anybody. No, it's a very normal communication. Now it's up to you whether you want to entertain it or not, but communication definitely coming. It may be 9 days or something. In next 2 weeks definitely something is coming up. Okay, let's see what is the advice for you, Scorpio, here. So advice for you here is to go with the flow. Okay, you have the support of the universe, you have the support of your angels, you have everything you want. Things will definitely work in your favor. Just go with the flow. You do not have to be in hurry, or you do not have to rush for anything. because 10 is also a new beginning, right? 10 is not end. 10 also turns to 1. 1 is a new beginning, right? So you do not have to push yourself for anything. You do not have to rush into anything. Things will definitely work in your favor. The advice is to just go with the flow and nothing else. Okay, just trust the universe, trust the divine, and things will definitely work out. Let's see what are the messages for you, general messages for you. We'll take out 3 messages for you, Scorpio. Success. Oh my god, what is happening? Everybody is getting this success thing. Okay, endings. Yeah, see, I was saying, right, 10 is not definitely the ending, it's a new beginning also. So definitely something will end and something new will begin in your life. So something will end which is not serving you, where you are being advised to be patient, right? So be patient, things will definitely turn out. Whatever is not meant for you will definitely end, and whatever is for your highest good will definitely start. Joy. So see, something will end which is not serving for your highest good, and definitely you will have joy. You might be getting success in your work or something you have been putting efforts to, and that will definitely bring happiness to you. Okay, so that's the reading, guys. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.